morning, children. All of you, please open your EVS book. Today we will study lesson 5, and all of you, please open your book to page number 45. Today we will study safety on the road. Okay? All of you, please put your finger. Safety on the road. While on the road, always walk on the footpath. Children, when you are walking on the road, then you should always walk on footpath. Never walk on the road. सड़क पे कभी नहीं चलना चाहिए. Walk on the footpath. What are footpaths, children? What are footpath? Road is in between and side by side is footpath. Okay, where people walk. So never walk on the road. Roads are for the vehicles, not for walking. So never walk on the road, but always walk on the footpath. Okay, children? Now all of you turn your page. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. What is this zebra crossing, children? It is a place given on the road where you cross the road. When you want to cross the road, you have to cross the road using zebra crossing. This zebra crossing is drawn on the road. Okay? There is no zebra crossing in our Gorakhpur, but in metro cities, children, zebra crossing is there and it is used for crossing the road. Okay? Never run or play on the road. Look towards the left and right carefully before crossing the road. Yes, children, roads are not meant for playing or running. Roads are meant for the vehicles. So, you should never run or play on the road. And children, when you want to cross the road, look towards your left, again towards your right, again to your left, and then cross the road. Okay, children? Don't cross the road when lot of vehicles are coming and going. Don't cross the road that time. Cross the road carefully. Look right once, then left, then right, then left, then cross the road. Don't be in hurry to cross the road. Okay, children? Use a subway whenever you can. Follow the traffic wheels. Use subway whenever you can and follow the traffic signals. We should use the subway, children, and we should follow the traffic signals. Okay, children? Traffic signals you must have seen. There are 3 lights: red, yellow and green. What is for red? Red is that you have to stop there. Yellow means or orange means be ready. And green means that you have to cross you can go with your vehicles. So children, it is very necessary to follow the traffic signals. To avoid accidents, it is necessary to follow the traffic signals. Got it, children? Safety while traveling. When you are in a bus, when you are on a bike, when you are on a scooty, what are the safety steps which you should follow? Whenever you are at a bus stop, stand in a queue. Queue means, children, line में. Whenever you are standing at a bus stop, जब भी बस स्टॉप के पास में तो आप हमेशा लाइन में खड़े रहिए. स्टैंड इन अ क्यू. डोंट पुश ईच अदर, बिकॉज पुशिंग ईच अदर विल हर्ट. It may hurt you, it may hurt another people. So don't push each other, but stand in a queue. Okay, children? Never travel on footboard or get off a moving bus. Now, children, when you enter in a bus, बस पे जैसे ही आप लोग चढ़ते हैं, जो बस का दरवाज़ा होता है उसको हम लोग कहते हैं फुटबोर्ड. तो नेवर ट्रैवल ऑन द फुटबोर्ड. वंस यू हैव एंटर्ड द बस, एक बार जब आप एंटर कर लिए हैं बस में, तो सिट ऑन योर प्लेस. वहाँ पे दरवाजे के पास मत खड़े रहिए. यू कैन फॉल फ्रॉम द बस. बस से आप गिर सकते हैं. सो डोंट स्टैंड ऑन अ फुटबोर्ड. And also don't get off a moving bus. चलती बस से कभी भी कोशिश ना करिए उतरने को, otherwise you will fall. Got it, children? Never put your head or hands out of the moving vehicle. Now, children, when the vehicles are running here and there, vehicles means all the cars, buses, trucks, scooters, all these are called the vehicles. So children, when you are traveling in a bus, when you are traveling in a car, don't take out your hands outside or your head outside. Never take out your hands or head outside. अगर आप हाथ या सर को बाहर निकालेंगे, अगर कोई पोल वगैरह आएगा तो आपके सर में चोट लग जाएगा. कोई शार्प थिंग अगर आया तो आपके हाथ में लग जाएगा. So never put your head or hands out of the moving bus or car. Got it, children? Do not disturb the driver. Yes, children, you should never disturb the driver. Don't disturb the driver because he is concentrating himself in driving the car or bus. Don't talk to him. Don't make any noise in bus or in car. When you will make a lot of noise, laugh and all, then what will happen? The driver will be disturbed. So children, don't disturb the driver because he is concentrating himself in driving the car, bus. Okay? While traveling in a car, remember to fasten the seat belt. Now children, what is the seat belt? I know you must know what is the seat belt. When you sit in a car, there is a belt called seat belt and that you have to fasten. Okay? वो आप लोगों को क्या करता है, सीट बेल्ट को लगाना रहता है. So always try to fasten your seat belt. Got it? Safety while swimming. Now children, you are going for swimming. So children, there also follow the safety rules. It is safe to have an elder or a trainer around while swimming. Now children, it is safe whenever you are at a swimming pool, then you must take an elder or a trainer, because if you will have any problem while swimming, then that trainer or elder can help you. But if you will not take help of your elder or trainer, then what will happen, children? What will happen? You may drown yourself. आप डूब जाएंगे. So follow your elders, take help of your elders while you are swimming. Got it, children? Then use a swimming tube. Now children, there is a tube. You must have seen a tube in the swimming pool. There is a tube. You have to take the help of that tube, and then you will swim. That tube will help you in swimming. It will help you from drowning. Okay, children? Never swim in deep water. Children, sometimes the water is very deep. बहुत जगह जो है पानी बहुत डीप रहता है, बहुत गहरा रहता है. एंड यू ऑल आर स्मॉल किड्स, आप लोग छोटे बच्चे हैं. अगर आपके पानी यहाँ तक आ जाएगा तो क्या होगा? आप लोगों को घबराहट होने लगेगा. तो जहाँ पे पानी बहुत गहरा है वहाँ पे आप लोग स्विम करने नहीं जाइए. ऐसे जगह पे स्विम करने जाइए जहाँ पे पानी आपके कमर तक आता है. Not till your neck. Got it? Safety at school. Never push or fight with anybody. Don't play rough games such as climbing and jumping off a high wall. Now children, in school you should also follow some safety rules. In school also you should follow some safety rules. And what are those safety rules? That you should never push or pull anybody. Otherwise, if you will push or pull, then you will get hurt and the others will also get hurt. Okay, so never push or pull other students. Never fight with each other, children. Never try to fight. कभी भी लड़ाई भी मत करिए आप लोग स्कूल में. Okay, you should not play rough games. कभी भी चिल्ड्रन रफ गेम्स को नहीं खेलिए. रफ गेम्स मीन्स जंपिंग ऑफ अ वॉल. ये नहीं कि ये वॉल इतना, ये दीवार इतना ऊंचा है, हम इससे छलांग लगा लेंगे. नो चिल्ड्रन, दीज टाइप्स ऑफ गेम्स यू शुड नॉट प्ले. यू शुड नॉट क्लाइंब. कभी भी पेड़ पे या वॉल पे, जो ऊंचा वॉल है उस पर कभी भी नहीं चढ़ने का कोशिश करिए. मान लीजिए चढ़ने को आप चढ़ जाएंगे, अगर उतरने नहीं आया तो क्या करिएगा? What will you do at that time? So don't try to play rough games. Okay, don't try to climb high wall or wall or tree. In some schools there are large trees also, so don't try to climb those trees. Okay, never go out of the school building. Now children, you should never go out of the school building. A boundary is there, and in that boundary there your school is there. So never try to go outside that boundary line. If you will go outside that boundary line, then what will happen? Your names will be struck off from the school. Maybe the boundary line, it may be suppose there are many grasses, many trees, many forests, many grasses, many trees, and what you will do? अगर स्कूल के इर्द गिर्द बहुत ज़्यादा पेड़ वगैरह है और अगर आप लोग वहाँ चले जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? So never try to get out of the school building. आपका स्कूल बिल्डिंग जो है सराउंडेड रहता है एक बाउंड्री से. उसी बाउंड्री के अंदर आप लोग रहिए, खेलिए. Got it, children? So never go out of the school building. In school you are safe. but if you will go outside the school building, you may not be safe. Okay, children? Never go out of the class without informing your teacher. Now children, never go outside the class. Many children, they love to roam in the corridor. कई स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कॉरिडोर में घूमना बहुत पसंद करते हैं. But children, never go outside the class without informing your teacher. If you will go without informing your teacher, then you will be punished. So always inform your teacher, and when you go out for toilet or for drinking water, you should be in time. You should not start playing there, or you should not start talking there. For whatever you do, for what you have gone, and then you come in the class. Got it, children? In case of any problem, inform your teacher at once. Now children, if you are in any problem, you are in school, if you have any problem, then in spite of telling to your friends, tell to your teacher. Your teacher will find a solution for that. अगर आप किसी मुसीबत में हैं स्कूल में, तो अपने दोस्तों से नहीं बोलिए. Tell to your teacher. He or she will try to help you out. Got it, children? किसी भी मुसीबत में है, अपने टीचर को बोलिए. टीचर जो है आपको उस मुश्किल से क्या करेगा, उस मुश्किल से आपको निकालेगा. Got it, all of you? Now next come to page number 47. Other safety rules. Now there are some more rules which you should follow. Do not take eatables from a stranger. Stranger means अजनबी. कभी भी अजनबियों से हमें कुछ भी लेके नहीं खाना चाहिए. What do these strangers do? They kidnap the children. Stranger क्या करता है? वो आप लोगों को कहेगा ये खा लो, ये तुम्हारे लिए लाए हैं. And when you will eat it, आप बेहोश हो जाएंगे, या वो आपको खिलाते खिलाते अपनी गाड़ी में बैठा लेगा, या आपको कहेगा चलो तुम्हारे पापा वहाँ इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. तो द स्ट्रेंजर विल डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स and they will kidnap you. So don't take any eatables from the strangers. Got it? Never go out of the house without informing your parents. Now children, whenever you are going outside the house, always inform your parents. जब भी घर से बाहर निकल रहे हैं, आप अपने पेरेंट्स को बता के जाइए. अपने मन से मत निकल जाइए. बता के जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, आपके पेरेंट्स को चिंता बनी रहेगी. अच्छा, अभी मेरा बच्चा बाहर गया, अब आएगा. अगर आप नहीं आएंगे तो पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं, फ़ोन करते हैं कि कहाँ हो. देन यू विल से पापा भीड़ है, ट्रैफिक है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स दे विल से. बट इफ़ यू विल नॉट इन्फॉर्म योर पेरेंट्स एंड विल go outside, then your parents will be worried, isn't it so? Or if suppose you have not informed your parents and you have gone quietly, जाने के बाद अगर आप वहाँ पे किसी प्रॉब्लम में फंस गए हैं, तो आप तो यही ना सोचेंगे कि हम तो मम्मी पापा को बताए नहीं हैं. तो that's why children, always inform your parents. अपने पेरेंट्स को बता कर आप घर से बाहर जाइए. फ्रेंड के वहाँ जा रहे हैं, बुक्स लेने जा रहे हैं, नीचे खेलने जा रहे हैं, ऑलवेज इन्फॉर्म योर पेरेंट्स. गॉट इट? रिटर्न होम बिफोर इट गेट्स डार्क. प्ले इन सेफ प्लेसेस. रिटर्न होम बिफोर इट गेट्स डार्क. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, प्ले इन सेफ प्लेसेस. हमेशा सुरक्षित जगह पे खेलना चाहिए. नेवर प्ले ऑन द रोड. Okay? So play on the safe places. And if you are going outside, then please children try to come before it gets dark. अंधेरा होने से पहले आप जहाँ कहीं भी गए हों वहाँ पे कोशिश करिए कि आप चले आएँ. Got it children? अब क्यों चले आएँ? Because it is one rule. ये एक रूल है कि अंधेरा होने पर हम अपने घर पे हैं. Got it children? It's a fact. It is safe to peep through the door eye or magic eye before opening the door when someone rings the doorbell. This is why we can know that the person at the door is not a stranger. Children, have you seen door eye or magic eye? Door eye or magic eye क्या आप लोग देखे हैं? This door eye and magic eye are placed on the doors. ये दरवाजे में लगाया जाता है. इसलिए लगाया जाता है ताकि कॉल बेल बजे अगर तो आप अंदर से बाहर का देख सकते हैं कि कौन डोरबेल बजाए, कौन बजाए. अगर वो स्ट्रेंजर है तो यू विल नॉट ओपन द डोर. अगर आप उसको नहीं जानते हैं तो आप दरवाज़ा नहीं खोलिएगा. और अगर वो स्ट्रेंजर नहीं है तो क्या कर सकते हैं, आप दरवाज़ा खोल सकते हैं. कोई आपका रिलेटिव्स हो या मे बी और पेरेंट्स, आप घर पे अकेले हो, अपने भाई बहन के साथ पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, मम्मी पापा शॉपिंग के लिए चले गए हैं, फिर वो लोग 1 घंटे बाद आपको कॉल बेल बजाएंगे तो आप लोग ये देखिएगा ना मैजिक आई से कि हाँ हाँ मेरे मम्मी पापा ही हैं, तो यू विल ओपन द डोर. अगर मम्मी पापा नहीं है तो यू व्हाट यू विल डू, विल नॉट ओपन द डोर. Got it children? So now something more is left in your this chapter. We will do it in the next class. Okay? So go through this chapter. Okay children? Have a good day now. Bye bye.